Warrior's mom told me कि sir please do for grade 6 for her. I don't know why. So addends. अरे यार सब आपको पता है मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ. When zero is added in to a number, what do you get? You get a
Number
zero only.
itself.
The number itself.
Number itself, yes, not zero. 75 plus 0.
75.
75. What is 5 plus 7?
75.
7 plus. What is 5 plus 7 is 7 plus.
5.
5. 5.
What is 36 plus 42 plus 13 is equal to 42 plus
90.
42 plus. What should I write? 13 plus dash 116.
36.
36.
Who shouted this? Riva has also joined.
36.
Riva, why you are on bed? Beta, why you are on bed, Riva?
Sir, I am going to my table.
Don't do the class on bed. If the bed wants to do the class, you can enroll the bed also. Anyone's bed want to do the class? What do you say? I think Tani Bani's bed want to do the class.
Sir, no. Sir, why doesn't Ragini ma'am switch on her camera?
Even I don't know. Even I told her, ma'am, please switch on your camera. She doesn't listen to me. She is like you guys only. No? Sometimes she listens, sometimes she doesn't. Okay, so I have given a very simple subtraction question and you have to check your answer also. So how will you check your answer? Everyone knows how will you check your answer?
Sir, by the steps that they taught us in school.
Yes.
Sir,
So numbers are small only, no? Numbers are very small, no?
yes, sir. They are very small.
So Tani Bani and Princess.
Sir, I accidentally sent it to you when I deleted it. So I just need to send it.
Goddess, you need help with the subtraction?
Sir, I accidentally did addition.
Beta, why? So we have to subtract 6 crores 28 lakh 9,171.
Sir, I'm just sending.
So this is 9. Rest all digits, last digit become 10. Rest all digits become what? 9. We all know that, right? So 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. And 7 minus 6, 1. Do we understand, kids?
Sir, I accidentally jumbled the last digits. I got the same answer.
Then how will you check? You can add both the smaller numbers together to get the boss number. But don't do add like this in your school exam. For your school exam, write properly and then add. Do we understand, kids? Yes or no?
Sir, my answer was, sir, I
So
accidentally
Kitten,
sent the wrong answer.
beta
Sir,
accident. Yes.
how will we show in the school?
स्कूल बेटा आप सेपरेटली लिखोगे ना, इसी में ऐड नहीं कर दोगे, आप सेपरेटली लिखोगे ऐसे, फिर ऐड करोगे.
And
All
sir,
right.
for that we have to write check also.
You can write check also. This is check. Okay. Check like any set. Please write check like any set.
Sir, we write it in school.
Okay. So you write check like any set. Okay, guys. Ragini ma'am, why kids want to see you sometime and hear your voice sometime? So do this question, kids.
Ragini ma'am, I by mistake sent the wrong answer. Can I send again?
You can delete it. All right, good. Ray, how did you get this question wrong? Aganya, keep your camera on, beta. Because Ray's camera is also off. So, ma'am, if any child's camera is off, Ray, beta, it's not working. So, ma'am, if any child's camera is off, please don't check it. बेटा आपका ये गलत कैसे हो गया रे मिस्टर रे unmute what
Yes,
should be
sir.
the correct what should be the correct answer
Sir, sir, 4,60,000.
4,60,000 beta what are you saying Ray you are not paying attention in my class keep on unmute also keep your camera on and keep on unmute so what is the place value of 5
Sir, 5 lakh.
and what is the place value of 3
30,000.
30,000 so if you are asking questions like these Ray you are not paying attention what were you doing Ray Ma'am, please make sure if his camera is off, ma'am, don't mark his answer and I'll call his mom. What were you doing, Ray?
So, I'm not sure.
So, better don't turn off your camera, don't turn off your mic. I want to be in touch with you. Next. So, when you multiply 1 with any number, what do you get? The number itself. We all know that. When we multiply 0 with any number, what do we get?
0.
0.
0. Who said like this? I think it was Annie. So 32 into 56. Everyone send the answer in the chat. Next question also. So for both the questions, you need to send the answer. In one message.
Sir, I by chance sent the first answer before the second one.
So you delete it, send it again, beta. You have to send both answers in one message. Annie, how did you get this wrong?
Sir, I have sent
Earlier you didn't put equal to 56 into, so I multiplied it. I didn't know that you had put 56 into.
So,
Sir,
so Ray, we are late again. Mr. Ray,
yes, sir.
we are late again, beta. How is that possible? So see, first 32 into 56, 56 into 32. I have just changed the order. The product will remain same. I have not asked the product from you guys. The product remains same. The product remains same. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, you didn't write 56 into dash.
Yes, sir.
That's why I multiplied it.
I wrote.
Sir, you wrote later. I had already copied it inside, so I
Oh
multiplied.
my goodness. So let's see. Ma'am, please make this a Star question. Though it's, let's see how many of you remember this concept. And ma'am, always pin Rayan because pinning him is very important. You're right, Ray? It's important. Right, Reina? All right. So look here. So if we have to multiply 7 into 4 plus 7 and 2, let's say 5. So I can do what? The first thing, this is called distributive property. The first thing we do is identify the number of terms. Can you tell me how many terms are there in this? I will ask from Azu Bhai. Azu Bhai, how many terms are there?
Sir, 2.
2 terms are there. Very good. So how do we identify the terms? Terms are separated by a plus sign. So this is my 1 term, this is my 2 term. Do we understand? Terms are always separated by a plus sign. Then we take 7 common. 7 यहाँ से common लिया, यहाँ से common लिया. क्या बचा मेरे पास? 4 here, plus sign, 5 here. So we will do 7 into 9. 63 I get. Let's check. 7 into 4 क्या होता? 28. Plus 35. Again, I would have got 63. Have you understood, kids? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, kitten, what should be my answer? 18 into 9 plus 18 into 5 is equal to 18 into 18 times. Kitten, what should be my answer? Annie, what should be my answer?
Sir, 14.
14. Princess, what should be my answer?
14.
14 is correct. And Avita, have you understood?
Sir, my device is working and it is low on battery. Can I join from another device?
Yes. And Ray, beta, you have to keep on unmute.
Sir, I didn't notice it was me.
Yes, that's why I reminded you. Okay, next question. So 68 times 12 plus 68 times 10 plus minus 68 times 2 is equal to 68 times dash.
So you could have sent about that. What do you do in your free time?
Yes, sir.
I will ask more questions, more board questions. Don't worry. Let
This
me
was
get.
such a boring one.
This was a boring one.
Yes, very boring.
Yes, sir, very boring.
Rehan, you would only think that you would also think that it's boring. Okay, sir, you can pin Ray now.
Okay. So, Annie, Kitten, Tani Bani, Major, Riva, what's my answer quickly?
Sir, give us more questions.
Sir, I have a perfect question.
I will give with the next question. Annie and Major and Riva. Guys, itna time hi lena. Time is up. See, first, Annie, how many terms are there?
Sir, 3.
Can I go to wash the room?
No, beta, during the break. I will give a break after this push. So, three terms. Now, what is common in all these three terms?
Sir, they have the number 68.
Yes, sir.
68. So, I will do 68 multiplied by, I will cut 68 from all. 12 plus 10 minus 2. So, this gives me 68 times 20. So, my answer will be 20. Have
Sir,
you
I
understood?
added two. Sir, I added two by chance.
Okay. Have you understood any many?
Yes, sir, I divided. I
Okay,
divided.
so we will take a 5 minutes break. We'll resume after the break. Am I late? Kids come back. So next question. So I'm giving a very simple, small division question. Such a small division question, right? Right, kids?
Yes, sir, very small.
Yeah. So Riva, keep your camera on.
Sir, I can't see the question. Sir, I
Oh,
can also
now you
not see
can.
the question. Yeah.
So Radhu, you have a younger brother, na?
Yes, sir.
So do you eat his Cerelac?
Sir, he's not that small.
But Cerelac, anyone can eat. It's a good sweet dish.
Sir, I don't like it.
Sir, we have to write a remainder also.
Yes, Peter, quotient and remainder both.
Oh, that's a.
Tani Bani eats, right?
No, sir.
No?
I also hated. My mother told me I hated it when I was a little kid.
Aganya eats it.
Sir, I hate it. It's like the
Today I will be giving very, very small question. Only small question.
Sir, question is big, remainder is very, very small. Sir, we have to give the remainder also.
बेटा अगर पैसे लग रहे हैं तो मत दो, अदरवाइज दे दो. Mickey Mouse, I can see your charger. I can't see you.
Sir, which charger? There's no charger around here.
I can see whiteboard. I can see some wire and charger.
So that's his turn off camera screen. So he's turned off his camera.
Oh, that was smart. My goodness.
Sir, no, his camera is not off.
Now it's on. Previously it was off. So, Revanch, let's do the division bit up. So, first of all, you took 2 digits, right? So, 6 6 are 36. Did you do it? First step
Yes,
is
sir.
correct.
Yes,
Ketan,
sir.
you also unmute. उसके बाद क्या किया? 2 आया.
Sir,
Then
फिर
8
एक
falls
नीचे आ
down
गया.
and 2
Sir,
2
then
saves it.
24.
6 4s are 24. Ketan,
Yes.
यहाँ तक ठीक था?
Yes, sir.
Then what happened? 0
Sir,
fell down.
40.
6 6 are 36.
Yes.
Then what? 7 fell down. 6 sevens are 42. Then what happens? 5 fell down. 6 nines are 54. Where did you make mistake, Revanch, Kitten?
Sir, on sir remainder sir remainder 0 कर दिया.
Kitten, आपका कहाँ गलत था?
Sir, 40. My 42 was wrong.
42 was wrong.
Yes, sir. I wrote 6.
The next question. Don't get this wrong. Today I am in the mood of giving very small division questions, smallest possible.
Yes, sir. Very small.
Very, very small.
Sir, you can ask what is 3 divided by 9.
Why will I give such tough questions to you guys? You guys are not even in grade 6.
Sir, we want to be challenged, so can you make it a kidzo question, please?
These are such small questions. Na? If I give a bigger question, then I'll make it a big question.
Sir, then give us bigger question. Sir, then give us bigger
Sir,
question.
give 9 divided by 9.
Yes, sir.
Sir, give 20
Those
divided
are tough.
by 50.
Sir, I will
Give
tell
20
you the
divided by
biggest
50.
question.
Sir,
Sir,
give
1
20 divided by 5.
1.
I
Sir,
will give you a, I will better
0 divided.
option. I will give you
Or
a
30
clue.
divided by 6.
I will give you
Sir,
a
1
clue.
divided by 1.
Sir, you didn't add my option.
Sir, what is mobile surfing?
Like you look for shorts or WhatsApp or something, blah, blah, blah on the mobile, which I don't know what kids see for so long. People are always on their mobile looking at something and, just pressing their fingers like this. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're exercising.
Sir,
Maybe
you
this
would
I
do
don't
that
exercise.
too.
No, I do. I see my mobile very less, very, very less. So, but people are doing like this always. I don't know what is this. Maybe this is some kind of finger exercise.
Sir, I think it's typing.
Sir, why didn't you say playing sports? Sir,
That
That comes in playing with friends,
Sir, why
basically.
didn't
swiping. You add all of these.
swiping?
It's swiping.
The shorts on YouTube.
So beta, if you guys need to wipe anything, swipe anything, beta, there are like you can, your home is always needs wiping and swiping. You can help your mom, you can help you can keep your room swiping and wiping. You can keep on doing like that. Why do you need a mobile? So 11 have
Sir, it
voted.
helps us
Sir,
relax
it's
our brain.
scrolling. It's scrolling. Sir, I don't have time to.
Wonderful results.
All right, everyone, give me the answer.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, I forgot the table of 23.
Beta, I don't expect you to memorize the table of 23. I expect you to multiply and solve.
Mama sent it again. It was a typing mistake.
So, can I leave?
Because your mom said you have to a doctor's appointment, so you can leave, but I wanted to explain this question. You can just listen to for 2 more minutes again. See guys, when you are dividing by a two-digit number, there are three tricks. So Ray, unmute. Everyone look here, guys. Stop doing. Everyone stop doing.
Sir, I
Look here.
sent, sir.
So there are three techniques. The first technique is we see the first number 2 and the first number here 8. So of course we know 2 fours are 8. So we can try multiplying 23 with 3, or we can try multiplying 23 with 4. This is one way. Now there are more ways which depends, and it depends according to the question which way we should use. More way, I will tell you this number is near to 25, and 25 stable, you know, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. So this is way number 2. Now, one more thing I would like to add, because 23 is such a simple number. So till 3 to I can do it mentally only. 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69. उसके बाद मुझे multiply करने की जरूरत पड़े. Anyway, so if I am getting, let's say I'm using 3, I got 69 and I got 17. If I get a remainder less than 23, so maybe I will write this down. If we get a remainder less than divisor, then our division is correct. And vice versa, if we get a remainder more than divisor, then our division is wrong. So are we following this statement?
Sir, can I see the recording?
Yes, beta, you can see the recording. Now then, I will bring flow down. Now, for this question, because this number is very close to 25, so I will use 25 sevens are what? 25 sevens are what? 175. So here I will multiply 23 times 7. I will get 161. So I will use 7, 161. Any doubts till here, guys? Then 2 will fall down. Then again I will use the same trick. 25 fives are 125. So I will use 23 times 5 will give me 115. And I'm saving the results because I might need to use them once again also. So जो भी आप multiply करो उसको आप ऐसे करो कि you can reuse them. 17. Then 1 will fall down. Then again I can use this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what will fall down? 5 will fall down. Then 23 fours are
92.
92. Then my final remainder will be 30. Have we understood, guys?
Sir, then my is right, then why has ma'am put an across?
Maybe your remainder is wrong.
Sir, I
Because-
sent 13 remainder only, I guess, let me.
So what I will tell you, Rivansh,
I
you
accidentally sent 3.
sent 3. And beta, listen to me, Rivansh. When you are not paying anything for the remainder, so why are you not sending it correctly? Are you paying anything for the remainder? Now, okay, guys, every day we are going to do 1-2 division questions. Not more than that because they take a lot of time. So one more question I will explain is of distributive property. So we just learned the distributive property, right? Now, how is this property helpful? Suppose I give you 32 multiplied by 10 plus 32 multiplied by 1. So you can say, sir, the result is 32 multiplied by 11. Yes or no? We have learned this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone agrees. Mr. Ria, I can't see you. And beta, keep on unmute. Lower down the camera view. So 32 into 11. Now, if I give you 32 into 11, can you write them as 32 into 10 plus 32 into 1?
Yes, sir.
Can you write that like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the advantage? If I tell you to multiply this, you can do in your mind 320 plus 32 will give you 352. This calculation you can do in your mind. Yes or no, kids?
Yes, sir.
Now let me give you one more example. No, let me give you a question. Let's see one more example first, then a question. So 16 multiplied by 12. तो 16 multiplied by 12 easy हो जाएगा. 26 multiplied by 12. 24 multiplied by 12. Let's do it. So in my mind, I will break this number into two parts, 10 and 2. So in my mind, I will multiply 24 times 10 is 240. And then I have to multiply with 1, 2 also. So 24 times 2 is 48. So I will get my answer 288 in your mind, everything in your mind. Can you try doing this, kids? Shall I give
Sir,
you a
I do
question?
this only.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
many
sir.
of you already use this property knowingly, unknowingly. So 23 multiplied by 13. So without multiplying the normal way, you have to, use this property to give the answer. No one will use a pen. You can copy the question later, but first give the answer in the chat.
Sir, I made typing mistake.
All right. So Major, you have not sent the answer.
So I have sent it to
So
Ragini.
Major and Annie and Kitten unmute. So which number you will break? Can we break 13? Annie?
So we can break it into 8 and 5.
Beta, why will you break it into 8 and 5? अगर आप 8 and 5 में break करोगे, it's perfectly all right. Mathematically it's correct. But फिर mind में कैसे solve करोगे? Mind में solve तब होगा when you break it into what? Annie, you will break it into what? 10 and 3, beta. So In your mind, what is 23 into 10, Major?
230.
230. Then what is 23 into 3? 23 into 3?
16.
No, only these two will speak. So this also, if you do it better, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69. ओवरऑल हो जाता है ना, क्योंकि कोई कैरी नहीं है. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. वरना इसको भी ब्रेक कर लो. 20 into 3 plus 3 into 3, ये भी ब्रेक हो जाएगा. 20 into 3 60, 3 into 3 9. Again distributive property. So this will become 230 plus 69, all in your mind. This will become 299. So this calculation you can do in your mind like this, using distributive property. So okay kids, I will see you in the next class. Bye bye, enjoy, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye,
Sir, मैं